are here to throw a party for you tonight, but I want to know, is there anybody here that wants to party tonight? What is it, a Monday? Hang on. Let's try this one more time. Anybody here want to party tonight? Make some noise! Band Perry on stage in just a few minutes. Make some noise. Toby Keith on stage tonight. Make some noise.
I don't know if you guys were here yesterday, but some of the celebrities from the Pro-Am are here tonight. Ladies and gentlemen, give a big round of applause for Donald J. Trump. I love you people. I really love you people, okay? I really do. I don't know if you knew this or not, but the bird's nest was actually named after my hair. How many country music fans are here tonight? Say hello to Barack Obama, he's here too. Hey, no, hey. You people can go to hell. Hey, I did the best I could over the last 8 years. I really did. You know those little signs that say made in China? We make those. Are you guys ready for some country music? Make some noise. All right, coming up in a few minutes, the